These are certain advantages aspect focused on R. Many different databases are there in the R, and objects are available same time. Data sets can be of any dimension, can be dealt, function can be modified using R, and there are experiences with respect to interacting your program. As I told you, it can interface between various set of agendas. Then R is a freely available and consists of existence and established existence. So commercial packages are there, one database available at the given point of time. Data sets are there in the shapes, and we can move ahead, we can interface from there. And let's compare these softwares used for statistical research and other researches. So topic is advanced models like SAS, Theta, SPSS, advanced models, and packages like here, stat, mass, any other aspects. So another libraries in the R can be used as a packages. Now basic SAS and then base SPSS can well compared with the R packages. So conjoint analysis can be done using all these different software. Here we will able to understand the conjoint analysis using various R packages. These are the different packages. I will make you understand what all packages are there in R. These are focused from the libraries, so we can extract libraries and packages from the R itself. So it is inbuilt inside the R. We will discuss it once we will start doing the hands-on part. It will be much easier to comprehend. Then corresponding analysis. Then these are the advanced topics we are not covering right now because we are in the basic part of R. So these are the things which can be performed by license version. This chart actually shows that the license version, by paying lakhs of rupees, by paying many dollars, you can do it free of cost using R. So this slides actually iterate the importance of R vis-a-vis SAS as well as SPSS. Though crack versions of both are available, but crack versions work up to certain level, whereas in the universities you are not allowed, as per IT 2001 and 2, you're not allowed to use crack versions. So it is better to use open software, so nobody can actually challenge your integrity, and especially the doctoral scholars should not use crack version. This is my own understanding through my life. I have been into international scenario where no crack version has been used. So there also in Germany we had a license version SPSS and R open source software used in our research work. So this is what is the key understanding. So let's understand why to learn R programming using statistical analysis. So reason for participants for R programming may differ from person to person. It depends upon the urge of learning, and the academician learn R programming in order to conduct various analysis in their research projects, and they may teach various things, especially vis-a-vis the R analytics, sales analytics, R retail analytics, then the data analytics, business analytics. You know, all these terms are interrelated, but they are used in the different domains. Marketing analytics is also, which I have not, yes, it is mentioned there. Then you have a supply chain analytics, the R is used. So widely used in our management development program, faculty development program. This is extract from my book, which is right now in the publication. So real benefits of R programming, it is basically focused on 4 major aspects. One is excellent graphical analysis of the data. It brings analysis in a graphical manner in a better way. It's an open software available without any cost, and it is more authentic. Then it is easy to learn, implement, reliable. So this is the most important thing, that this is dependent software. You can depend upon the software. Your software will not crash, and your data and data analysis will now not vanish. It is easy to extract the output, and you can put that output into your Word reports. You can put your output into the Excel also. You can put the output into the PowerPoint also. This is what is the major takeaway. Then you talk about, there are n number of packages, more than 4,000 packages right now R is supporting. What is the difference between R console and RStudio, I will definitely let you know what is the difference between RStudio and R console. So R resources, you can see that R is a open learning software. It deals with the crank. This is R console. Basically, the R resources is referring to the R console, and this R console is a one type, and a R Studio is another type. Once I will download it in front of you, you get to know how it comprehends, how it looks like. Wait for a few minutes. So after setting the so-called platform, we will get into the hands-on part. So this is what is the learning of R online. Then it focused R console on CRAN, task views, R on stack or overflows. Getting help of R is more important. Introduction of R and writing extension is important. Then importing files are possible. References, authorized licenses are available in both the cases. Here we have RStudio, where RStudio is dependent upon IDE support. I will show you. RStudio has got a separate community support and forums where you can become a member of it. You can have a latest learning about various R things. Then you have a cheat sheets. So cheat sheets are the most important things. They are nothing to cheat anyone. It's basically a list of codes which you utilize for your learning process, for your analysis process. So you can make use of basically the R codes, ready-made R codes available for your analysis. So you can modify it, you can use it as it is. So there is no problem in terms of IPR is concerned. So then you talk about using the various packages in RStudio. RStudio will be most important, and it will be used in a greater manner in large context. So manual part, so-called R language definition, R installation and administration, we will see to it. We have search engines, we have resources and technical manual